Come on, Jax. Who the fuck is that? Where'd you come from? Hey, get the fuck out of my house. Who is that, Jax?
No, Munchie! Munchie!
Scout?
No! Waylon. Billy has...
You got
Billy has...
my house?
What is in your mouth?
And there he is.
Oh no. No. Wait.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, we got a bit of a problem.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
Is that your baby, huh?
Rusty, drop it!
Come on, Jericho, get in the house. Come on.
Hurry, get in here!
Okay, I guess you can come too.
Later.
The hell?